Have you ever wondered how a rough stone hidden deep inside the earth becomes a diamond worth $10,000 or more?
Welcome to our high-tech diamond factory. Today, I'll show you how rough stones are transformed into brilliant diamonds worth thousands of dollars.
Every diamond is carefully planned before cutting begins to preserve maximum beauty and quality.
If we cleave along this plane, we minimize the weight loss.
But what about the structural integrity here? Every diamond undergoes strict evaluation before reaching the luxury market.
Look here, just near the girdle. I see the pinpoint. It's negligible for a stone this size. Inventory department. The laser inscription matches the GIA report here. Confirmed. I'll log the entry now.
The
brilliance score is unprecedented. Look at the data on the hologram.
The reflection index confirms it. It surpasses the GIA Chichim.
Truly flawless performance.
From the heart of the earth to the pinnacle of luxury, every diamond begins a journey of transformation. Efficiency. From a simple rough stone hidden deep inside the earth to a brilliant diamond valued around the world, every gemstone. Look at the energy readings on the holographic display.
It confirms the synthesis is nearly complete.
The precision on the GIA scale is fluctuating right here. Yes, we need to adjust the laser frequency to stabilize the lattice.
Every facet must be perfectly aligned to maximize the return of light. It's the difference between brilliance and mediocrity.
All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Yes, the spectroscopy confirms it.
Very well. Final approval confirmed.
Behind every sparkling diamond is a hidden world of science, technology, and human skill.